Hands! Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands! Hands now! Hands up!
Michigan State Police located a black car stolen from Wyoming, Michigan. As they approached, the driver fled, initiating a high-speed pursuit.
Alright, we're going back southbound.
Going 3 yards, going back southbound.
Through 34th, speeds are 45.
45 miles an hour.
Speeds are going to be 60, coming up to 36.
Coming up on 36, that's pretty.
It's going to be occupied twice, maybe? Not 100% sure. We're going to be westbound 36th Street.
Westbound 36.
It's occupied at least 4 times, it appears. Speeds are 70, we're still westbound. Light traffic.
Still westbound, light traffic.
Speeds are 90, we're coming up to Byron Center. Coming up to Byron Center, we are northbound Byron Center.
Northbound Byron Center.
Still northbound, speeds are 60. Northbound Byron Center, we're coming up to Golden. Medium traffic coming up to the red light at Prairie Parkway. Green light, speeds are 95. Still northbound, coming up to 28th Street, right lane.
That's where I got 2 minutes coming up in Clyde Park, thereabouts, southward.
So eastbound, coming up to the light here, I believe it's Clyde Park. We're through Clyde Park. Excuse me, through Godfrey. Light traffic, dry roads, speeds are 85 right now.
Dry roads, 85.
We are through the red light. You are good, right? Clyde Park, through Clyde Park. He hit a parked car. He is crashed at Rodriguez into the telephone pole.
Watch the line, watch the line, watch the line.
We got lines down.
Despite the car's rapid acceleration, police kept up with the suspect. In a dangerous attempt to evade capture, the car crashed into a roadside fence, narrowly missing a utility pole.
Put your hands! 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 Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands! Hands now! Hands up! Central, give us the air. We're Caesar Parkway and Van. Hands! I don't see any. Hands, dude! Put your hands up! Out this back window now! Put your hands out this back window. Yes. Both hands out the window. Making contact if you can block the roadway north and south of us. We got wires. Crawl out that window. Walk back here. Turn around. Pull your coat up. Pull your coat up. Pull your coat up. Walk back here. Keep walking. Turn around. Turn around. There's one more here.
No, stay in the car. Got him.
Crawl out. On your face.
Hands behind your back.
How many more people are in there?
Put your palms together. You know, like your fingers like your friend.
How many more people are in there? Is there another person in there or not?
How many more people are in the car? How many more people are in the car?
The passenger exited through the rear door, and the driver was apprehended without further injuries. The reckless chase ended with both suspects in custody. During a night patrol, police noticed a silver car swerving on the road, suspecting the driver might be impaired. They initiated a pursuit to assess the situation. The driver turned onto a narrow street, then accelerated upon realizing they were being chased.
Rolling westbound. Going on back up. Let's see. headed towards the bridge. There we go. Speeds are 30 miles an hour. Got northeast Broadway, speed 60 miles an hour, no traffic. That's for the A1 gas station, looks like they're out of phase. We need to go over that A1 now. Failed, and he is on the
South on North Street. Speeds 35 miles an hour. South speed 73 miles an hour. South 367 speeds 80 miles an hour.
Passing a gas station, the driver distractedly opened the door and threw out what appeared to be a beer can. The chase intensified as a passenger suddenly jumped out of the moving car, rolling onto the road while the driver continued fleeing. The pursuit reached a climax when the suspect ran a red light and collided with a tree after police intervention. The driver was pulled from the car and required medical assistance. Upon recovery, she will face legal consequences for her reckless actions. While on patrol, the police heard a broadcast from Grand Rapids Police about a suspicious vehicle, a black Saturn Oro with no plates, associated with a previous felonious assault on police. The vehicle was spotted at the Kent County Sheriff Complex by off-duty Deputy Alexandria Hyde, who called dispatch. As the vehicle attempted to flee, two marked sheriff patrol cars tried to stop it.
Eastbound and Fountain, coming up to, back up to Fuller.
Eastbound Fountain, coming up to Fuller. For those that don't mind, they're north and headed back towards Fuller.
I copy. It's headed back towards Fuller on Sirens.
Fuller and Fountain. Not stop and drive the sergeant up. Awesome. Well, they FA'd the other day. I'm going to pursue it. Lake and Diamond. Just about caused a crash here at Lake and Diamond. Continue westbound on Lake. Lake coming up to Eastern.
Lake coming up to Eastern, 545.
Lake coming up to Union.
Lake coming up to Union, 546.
And westbound on Fulton from Union.
Westbound Fulton from Union, 546.
Fulton continuing westbound. There are cars headed this way. They're going right into downtown. I'm going to try to stop it before it goes into downtown.
Clear, turn calling out.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Unlock the car! Unlock the car!
What did I do? Stop! Y'all don't, I don't love you. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do to you? What did I do to you?
In custody. Working on in custody. Still resisting.
Stop! You understand me? Yes. You won't get hurt. Stop resisting. What did I do?
The vehicle sped away, and after KCSD terminated the pursuit, the police maintained observation. When they attempted to stop the vehicle, it fled again. Given the felonious assault attempts, the police initiated a precision immobilization technique pit at low speeds to prevent endangerment to morning traffic. The pit was successful, and the driver, Brittany Lee Johnson, was taken into custody. Johnson resisted arrest but was subdued by the police and Grand Rapids officers. The vehicle was towed by Merle's Towing, and Johnson was transported to Kent County Jail by Grand Rapids officer Brad Hugel.
Back up!
On February 17, 2024, at approximately 4:24 p.m., the police observed a brown GMC pickup with Arkansas plates, AMR to 3N, traveling south on US 67. The driver, later identified as Steve Hallman, was not wearing a seatbelt. A traffic stop was initiated.
He's going on the curve on Ray Street.
TVI. Hands!
10-4.
Nope, he's back on the road, Gonna try again. He's bound on race. TVI.
10-4.
Stop! He's still trying to go. Stop! Hands right now! Hands!
After 5 miles, the vehicle exited onto US 67B, navigating heavy traffic and driving onto the sidewalk. A tactical vehicle intervention TVI was attempted and initially successful, but the vehicle continued to flee. A second TVI briefly halted the vehicle, but Hamann evaded again. A third TVI ultimately brought the pursuit to an end.
Hands right now! Get on the ground!
Give me another unit.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get out of the vehicle! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Hamann exited the vehicle, shouting and disregarding commands. An elderly woman, identified as Norma Hamann, was found in the front seat, prompting a call for an ambulance. Troopers Cody Brown and Justin Parrish arrived to assist. Hamann exhibited signs of alcohol intoxication, including a strong odor of alcohol and bloodshot eyes, and resisted arrest.
Back up!
Boy, it's a badass. And man, your handcuffed. He's a badass, ain't you? Bad mother. Have a seat. Yeah, no problem. You want to back in there or what? No.
I
understand that. We got an
Ma'am.
Okay.
He was almost there with her.
He's also under the influence of alcohol. He should have pulled over.
Listen, he was getting
All right.
Stop the camera, start it back over.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today's video on our channel. We, the channel building team, always aim to bring exciting experiences to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on other captivating videos. Goodbye, and see you again.